Good morning, friends. This is CA Sarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Now, I am coming back to you after a very long time because I was busy. In fact, I am busy today too much on the research work, and we are trying to discover certain very core, ज्ञान सीक्रेट. तो उसमें टाइम चला जा रहा है एंड ये अगर आ जाएगा तो हमारा लाइफ एब्सोल्युटली आसान हो जाएगा बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन मैथमेटिकल मॉडल विच इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इमोशन. हम लोग जो स्टॉक मार्केट में ट्रेड करने का टाइम में जो इमोशन वाला गलती कर बैठ जाता है गलती करके, वो सब इंडिपेंडेंटली होना चाहिए ऑटो. एंड आई हैव प्लान्स टू मूव टू एल्गो ऑन दैट. Now coming back to the analysis of Nifty. Now people are very worried about Nifty. Let me also give you some highlight of Nifty. Nifty आज है 17,171, which is of course a very crucial level. क्यों crucial level है? Again we go back to our analysis that यहाँ से लेके आपका जो current level के Nifty हम बता रहा हूँ. Now 17,171, if I look at a Fibonacci ratio, it is actually resting on 382 level, which is a very significant level. Okay, so now आप इसको ये सब चीज में छोड़ दीजिए. These are all our research work और अभी तक फाइनल हुआ नहीं. Now listen to what I say. Now, if I am on a daily scale, if I am seeing that Nifty is actually has retraced a lot from this level, 15,626 to this on a daily chart. So I am not too worried, and this is a very healthy retracement. And in fact, it has bounced back from 50 level. So therefore, Nifty is not willing to give up. Okay, and this is a very good sign. So यहाँ से लेके फिर ऊपर जब जाएगा ना, it is actually it will give a very dream run. Okay, so don't worry about Nifty. This is my analysis, and if you look at weekly chart also, if you move, then in weekly chart में हम क्या देख रहे हैं? Weekly chart is also, it has given a retrace. Okay, now what I will show you is, let me switch on our setup. Now ये setup daily chart में थोड़ा ये देख रहा है. So normally I analyze independently. Now आप इस setup में हम क्या देख रहा है? नंबर 1, अब देखिए यहाँ आप डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 जब कहाँ से निफ्टी आपका रिट्रेस हुआ है. दीज आर द लाइन्स जो ऑटोमेटिक यहाँ से डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 जब मेरा ये, these are rare things that that signal is generated. Once this signal is generated, nobody can ignore this signal. These are legal mathematical signal. So therefore, what is the science behind it? I am not explaining. What I am trying to say is आपने यहाँ से ट्रेंड ख़त्म हो गया, ये वाला पहले डे 1 वाला आ गया, देन डे 2 कंफर्मेशन में मैं इसको काम करूँगा. ओके, सो फ्रॉम देयर वी गॉट ए बिग लेवल, एंड इन बिटवीन हमारा कोबरा जो लाइन है, इट हैज़ ऑल्सो गिवन ए कॉन्फर्मेशन. देखिए कोबरा कॉन्फर्मेशन, ये दिस इज रियल लाइन, सो ये बहुत कम आता है. कोबरा नॉर्मली हम लोग बिलीव करते हैं कोबरा लाइन अगर ब्रेक करेंगे तो इट विल स्लाइड डाउन. एक्चुअली स्लाइड डाउन इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत पहले आया था. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द अनदर सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस लाइन, जहां हमारा 382 हमने बोला है. सी बेसिकली दिस 382 is the significance line. Then what is the another significance? This is a 131 square line. Now square and cube line, अब देखिए ये जो cube line था, cube line से कितना बेहतरीन इसको ट्राई किया cube line के लिए, हुआ नहीं, and then it has actually got a shocking defeat. Bulls was actually were defeated. So this, cube root is more powerful than square root, and square root is a supreme thing. So therefore this is how the analysis is to be done. And thereafter, now if I go to the hourly chart of Nifty, okay, now hourly chart में क्या दिख रहा है? hourly chart में दिख रहा है कि this is the only last day. hourly chart में दिख रहा है कि आपकी एक सेल ऑफ हुआ है, सेल ऑफ सिग्नल आया था in the penultimate hour. This is the last hour, so ये यहाँ हमारा जो सिग्नल हुआ है, सो सिग्नल लेके ये एक्चुअली नाउ इट इज रेस्टिंग ऑन अ वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट लाइन. तो यहाँ से अगर ब्रेक कर गया लाइन, सो यू नो द only hope that Nifty can have is 16,900 and 16,700 type you know range, and thereafter this is 16,780 range. So 16,780 range break ho jayega, to then absolutely bearish, no doubt about it. Otherwise I am very hopeful. In fact, I am expecting a bullish reversal from here. Okay, because why? The logic is 382 support, it is there. So 382 maximum 50 support se wo support lenge. Okay, now this is a 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart mein thoda sell up hua hai. Let us see the 15 minutes chart. Basically 15 minute chart is the basis for your intraday trading. On intraday trading आप 15 minutes में देखोगे, first of all there is a lightning move that is coming up, and ये lightning move आप देखिए, ये बार भी दिया हुआ है. So यहाँ से लेके lightning move दे दिया. So निफ्टी जो लग रहा है ये इस जगह पे देखिए, even all sell off has happened during this area, and this could be also a sign of exhaustion sell off. Okay, so therefore when everybody believes that it will go down, so sell off, there are bad things are happening, Fed is increasing their interest rate, so all those things are factored in. Okay, those factors करने के लिए 382 में आया है. So I am expecting a reversal from here, and I will be bullish in my approach, and of course bullish till 16,800 16,900 level. तो यहाँ अगर break कर जाएगा तो then I will be changing my position from long to short. Okay, right at the moment if you cannot handle the volatility, तो volatility बहुत high है, वो अगर आप हैंडल कर नहीं पाओगे तो you can stay away from the market, or you can work on this kind of levels which I have given. So these are all for educational purposes, so therefore you have to trade with your own wisdom, and you have to consult certified market analyst. But this is what I believe, that 17,161, 17,000, this level is a 382 level. So therefore, it will be at least, giving a big fight here. Okay. So friends, this is a very small update. So, you can also look at Banknifty and other things. So, you can do your own analysis. Like in Banknifty also, if this, our chart also develops same set of signals. So in Banknifty also we have a downtrend started, and then it's basically on a 30,100 level, which is a very significant level, and which has been broken. So 35,721 is the next level. So this is how you should analyze, and these indicators are now available for rent. If you want to have this kind of indicator, very simple indicators, you can contact me in my number, below number 91430, or you can tweet me here. My Twitter address is also here. You can contact me if you want, and then probably I will be able to help you out. These are all available on rent on quarterly basis. So if you are a trader, you can use this for your own benefit. And we are also coming out with we have a GAN setup, automatic setup is almost over. So if that setup comes, then it will be a bingo. So with this note, this is C. Swarup Ghosh, thanking you for participating in this discussion. Bye bye for now.